This is the blizzard of 2010. We have had non-stop snow probably since the start of the new year. Our last big storm was in December. Those are icicles. And the snow has not stopped all day long. We probably have about 2 to 3 feet snow drifts. The wind's absolutely going crazy. They have not issued a blizzard warning, which is a big surprise because it is absolutely crazy. But it's starting to get annoying because that's all we've been getting is snow. Ready for spring. You know, if this can catch this, these flakes are huge. Absolutely freezing. I'll show you guys a front view. Ignore the mess. Here's the front view of the blizzard of 2010. Shall. I wish this could pick up how big these flakes are and how fast it's falling, because it's really, really fast. There's wind blowing. Quiet sounds of winter. So yeah, we'll update on how much snow we actually get.